When you take hold of your dreams, you are filling up your cup, and you cannot pour out of an empty cup. You have to have your cup filled. Doing this has been the most amazing thing that has ever happened to me in my entire life, because I have been able, when I started really taking in what we do here in this industry, I have become a better mother, a better wife, a better sister in Christ, a better friend, daughter, cousin, sister, everybody. I have become a better version of myself because I have allowed my cup to be filled. I have more patience for my kids. I'm able to walk in better wisdom and guide them better through things because I am able to better address my own insecurities and therefore recognize it in them and be able to speak life on how to overcome it. Why? Because I had to overcome the same thing. So stop shaming yourself wanting bigger things, because those bigger things will lead to more incredible opportunity for you as a mom and help you be a better mom and wife for your whole family. So stop it. Just stop with the guilt. And this is kind of helping women peel back the layers of that guilt and helping them get to a place where they're able to grow and beyond the garbage.